The most creative and the most vibrant.
Wala ka ba ko kabalo, ma'am?
3 winners. 1 winner for the loudest. Second winner will be for the most vibrant. And the third is for the unique or creative yell or cheer by individual. Okay po? So the judges will be the officers. I will not judge because I'm the MC. Because if I will judge, our division will win. Okay?
38 ang naka-appear ka na may guard na admin 1 eh.
Ready na? Ready na? Aha.
Hoy, napay asenso Osamis, napay asenso iligan. Wala yung kuwanan na, wala na naka-trademark, naka-patented.
Ngita tani, asa tuan. Iligan, ma'am. Iligan? Ngita ko gas ako dapit. O, dito sa Tumoy. Thank you, ma'am. Ugo, Busanis. Arqueta, Misamis Occidental, Orient.
Kabibo.
Iligan. Ay, ma. Ay.
Wala naman ang nag-practice.
Bakante ba ni ma'am? Ay, nasimula tayo si Ma'am Sharon. Mag-practice man daw kuno ta. Mag-practice daw ta, mag-practice.
Our guests, our school heads are seated by division. We have tables allocated for you. Ma'am, iligan over there. Here you can share with other divisions may participants. Okay po? Or we can add additional tables and chairs for you. And let us know through the officers who are wearing barong and Filipiniana today. We will be your, ano po, dakilang alalay, alipin sa gigilid
Ngita tagasab.
na mamahay.
Ngita kong chair. Napay bakante dire.
Namay po microphone mo niya.
Napay bakante dire.
Okay? What about the other divisions of Tangkong? Although Gamay are practicing na. Okay, very good, Tangkong.